When you first land on your HeyAuto dealer portal, you are going to see this screen. This is your dealer dashboard. It gives you a general overview of your top-performing inventory, analytics, service provider, and your connected email integrations. This screen gives you a breakdown of how your dealership has been performing and provides some quick links to make your HeyAuto experience as streamlined as possible. With just one click, you can see your new leads, add a new vehicle, and even manage your team members. Under the Analytics tab is where you will find all the stats regarding the performance of your inventory on the HeyAuto platform. This main section shows you the amount of views you and your inventory has received over the past week. Over on the right here is a real-time display of your top-performing inventory over the prior 24 hours. You'll notice up here, in the top right-hand corner, the notification bell. This is where you will receive the alerts that a customer wants to chat or perhaps that you've been requested to bid on a piece of private seller inventory. This dashboard is also where we will keep you updated on any new and exciting features or news that will ensure you and your team get the most out of HeyAuto. This entire platform was created as dealer-first software, and our goal is to help you take your dealership to the next level through authentic, fully integrated customer connections. Thanks for watching, and we hope you love your new dealer dashboard.